abavuji ba rore ababebembirwe chairman w'ekibina kyabwe ekirukuba gite kya Truck Owners and Drivers Cooperative Society Badru Semogerere bakera sha 12 kutaroreza aba office za City South Division no kukinga umuhanda ko muringo gumwe go kwesharinga. Semogerere najangwe imirundi mingi kanso izirene baraganisa umurimo go kupakira no kupakurura kandi ngutinobere y'abakirize bihandiko konkanci batangaza okureba ngutendege bagihiro muntu batarukumanya mbarore.
So we advertising anti waliwo omulimo gwa loading and offloading mu town y'Embalala mu city tewali watusinga document ku mulimu ogwo ne weta bidding documents zabo tewali kye basaba ffe kye tutayina network asaba emirundi egisukka mwena kuruno chayitiride fetu wayisemu kompitite waffe tumanyi oba akola mulimo ki.
Abantu bahakanise cyo gumiza mbaru kushashura emishoro ebiri ogo kupakira hamwe no gwa street parking.
Kanso etubibere munonga nogendo cyo kurebera no funa karumuka ko mbondi kaliya driver no kinhemi twaleji twareshat okiza kufika wa street parking yayiza na kwendo edachika 13 na ende 15 roreje naje barangu netware emyanyeji ebiri waza kumadia kupakura usanga uriyo mitware ebiri
tuyenda obulinganiza abo kuba twine paka kandi bakagira ntabine paka ndo basembe kubana ba parking za rore dorezi tuzine paka yitu tujine kandi kanso ekagira teine paka
fabana nyiri motoka tuyina parks za fe Bestaliza kanso yatugova mu town tugenda tupangisa motoka pake zaabwe naye kitwewunyisa okulaba nti Malasta kanso tetubala mu magezi twenga bananyiri motoka.
Muhammad Byansi side kansaro kujechero mwanyogo mushango gona yagutari site kiraka owari kugira ngo ayanjire kugabatenda nobo yo kubanza bagishazemu
contract yasya emyaka 3 atakujigaba aresi gendero uko kumubuza akuja nti PS niwagize tubanze twa stopping okimubuza nyenchaka akugambira Minister wa local government Rafael Magezi niwabi stopping twino buzibu bwingi munonga Minister Magezi kola bino stoppinga entase yiti yambaraste abantu ati baza kwekwatira obwire bwakikanito byaturaba mu mikono
abwo kukinga uruguto cyagemesereza polisi kwika nyogu ogwiyagezaho kugamba nabo konka barema kwiguraho nuko kuzo mu rukiko orutikirizo bambanya mahurire
ntakwenda kubabiha bakama bitu eruguroko emirimeji tebagikwasereke eyeshonga zanyu na paka okumukushabatenda nebindi mbwe nicyo kitwasharamu nkaba South Division twasharamu iki mwaba mukiri omunshonga zo kuronda tenda imwe company yanyu naziriye zindi muri no makoti gona gibarimu bari abakushoroza omukushoroza nabo babe barugire
twagamba ona stekira kwambara site yanshongezi turukarabira hasimu.
I don't see any problem with what is there. First of all, there was the person who is collecting is the one actually who had a contract, and then we advertised. And when we advertised, there were 2 bidders. Encore Truck something and also the one who is collecting now. And after we had given it out, one of them raised an administrative review. And this administrative review went up to the PPD Appeals Tribunal.
Abana bwanyuma yo kugamba nabo bikirizana bihororeza abo gashakwa na Good Fatima.